कोन्निचिवा गाइस, नमस्ते। मेरा नाम है रोहित शिव प्रसाद और मैं कैसे So my name is RSP in Japan. Oh no. So my name is Rohit Shiv Prasad and I'm the founder of RSP in Japan. मैंने RSP in Japan खोजा है. Alright, well, today's video is going to be about the benefits. You get a lot of benefits even when you're working for a part-time job. Wow. So this video, I am going to tell you each and everything, the benefits that you get when you're working a part-time job here in Japan. And previous video में I told you what were the downsides. So benefits देखने से पहले downside देख लो, या तो तुम benefits देखने के बाद भी देख सकते हो, तुम्हारी मर्जी है, but देख लो. You will definitely get benefits, of course. It's like you're working for someone, right? So it's not just part-time job. There are benefits. First, the very obvious one, you will learn Japanese. Because you will talk to people, you will interact with people, you will fill forms, you will do a lot of things. When I am working in a supermarket at present and I have to do a lot of things, looking at the products, now I know a lot of products. You know about the discounts, you know about what to buy, when to buy, how to buy. It's amazing. And the second benefit that you will get is Japanese culture. Guys, टाइम पे आना, टाइम पे जाना, ओवर टाइम करना तो पैसे मिलेंगे, ओवर टाइम करोगे तो यू विल गेट मनी, रात में करोगे तो यू गेट 25% के ऊपर, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू विल लर्न, लाइक bowing, when to bow, how to speak in Japanese, what type of Japanese should you use at what time. भरपूर ज्ञान, and that is how it's gonna be. बस Japanese ही सीखोगे ना. The benefits are something like this. You get bonus भी मिलता है part-time job में. Now there is a condition. You have to be a worker for at least 1 year to get these benefits. 1 साल के बाद you will get these benefits. So there are 2, हाँ? एक नहीं है, 2 है. And you might get either of them. देखो, here in Japan, if you're working a part-time job at a place for about, let's say, 1 year, I don't think I got this in the convenience store, but yes, where I'm working right now is a big company. Bonus and paid holidays. The place that I'm working right now will give me paid holidays. The factory that I used to work before gave me paid holidays, which means benefit बताता हूँ ना. You can choose to use those paid holidays anytime you want. एक बार मेरे पैर में चोट आई थी, काम पे नहीं जा सकता था, but I used a paid holiday. Then there was a time when I went to India for 1 week, and at that time I had 7 paid holidays, so I used them. And guess what? I was in India, but I was getting money. Then the place that I'm working right now, it's been 1 year and I have 5 paid holidays, so I can use them, but I don't have to take any holidays, so of course I will be using them this month. There are some companies that give you about 10,000 or 20,000 yen ka bonus too. पैसा ही पैसा है. And then the other benefits, the next benefit would be if you're traveling through a cycle. Like right now I am going through my cycle, so I get about 700 yen per month. कम लगता है? नहीं. It's like 700 yen per month means that after 10 months I would have 7,000 yen extra just by traveling on my cycle. Not only that, cycle needs an insurance, and that insurance is also paid by the company. पार्ट-टाइम जॉब है ये, और मुझे ये सब मिल रहा है. Doesn't end there. Many companies have their own policies. Big ones give more benefits. Like मेरी वाली, जैसे मैंने बताया, बहुत बड़ा है. It's called the Aeon Group. AEON Group. It's big, it's huge, and they also provide, like coronavirus के लिए they paid me money. They paid me for 2 hours and आने जाने का पूरा पैसा they gave me. Then there are other benefits. If you, let's say if you're working in a restaurant, you'll get food. If you're working in McDonald's, like मेरा दोस्त McDonald's में काम करता था, and क्या बताऊं, जब तक वो McDonald's में काम कर रहा था ना, हाँ जिंदगी क्या सुहानी चल रही थी. हर रात को मैकडोनल्ड आता है, सुबह नाश्ते में मैकडोनल्ड हम लोग कर रहे थे. इतना मैकडोनल्ड खाया होगा ना हमने, 1000 येन में हम तीनों लोग पेट भर के खा लेते थे. अरे भाई क्या पता क्या टाइम था. डिस्काउंट कितना मिलता होगा जानना चाहते होगे? So when he was working in McDonald's, he was getting 70% off, or he was getting 30% off. It was very cheap is what I remember. जितना हम लोग 1000 येन में एक आदमी खाते थे, अब हम लोग 1000 येन में 3 आदमी खा रहे थे. और हम लोग छोटा मोटा 5 बर्गर, फ्राइज, कोक, हल्के में नहीं लेना है. So when you're working part-time job here in Japan, the conditions are sometimes harsh, sometimes good, sometimes very good, but there are benefits. Of course, you are being paid, and if you work on holidays, you get more money. If you work after 10 p.m., you get more money. If you get if you do overtime, you get more money. But you have to be very careful. You can work only 28 hours a week. भैया अगर तुम यहाँ पे पार्ट टाइम से पैसे कमाने आ रहे हो ना, प्लीज मत आओ, ठीक है? They are doing 28 hours. They are crossing the limit of 28 hours, and that is creating a lot of problem for us and the people like you who want to come to Japan to study. जितने भी रूल्स टफ हुए हैं इन लोगों की वजह से हुए हैं, मत पूछो. So and it's shameful guys, like rule है, it's more than enough, it's way more than enough. बट क्या कर सकते हैं, सबकी अपनी अपनी मर्जी है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो गाइज. आई होप यू लाइक द कंटेंट. और अगर तुम लोगों को कुछ पूछना है कि और क्या होता है या फिर कुछ भी पूछना है, यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. आई ट्राई टू गेट बैक टू यू, और यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस ऑन RSP in Japan और इंस्टाग्राम के पेज पे. एंड कांजी की खरीदी कि नहीं खरीदी, फ्लैश कार्ड मैंने तुम लोग को, भाई गजब चीज़ है वो, खरीद के देखो. You will learn by looking, so you will know all the kanjis just by seeing them before you even know how to write them. And exams के पहले एकदम perfect है, छोटा सा है यार, उसको by exam के पहले पट देखना है, हो गया रिविजन. लो ना जाके प्रैक्टिस करो जाके, अभी सब हो रहा है, करो. Bye bye. And now you can try out our kanji flashcards. It is available on Amazon and you can purchase it through that. You'll get a set of workbook and 2 flashcard sets. These contains 244 words, 120 kanjis. You will also be able to bind them together using this rubber band. This is very convenient actually, and it comes with this workbook in which you can practice your hiragana, katakana, and also you'll be able to practice your kanjis. And we have also attached renshu and practice papers for you guys. Link is in the description below. Order now to get it as soon as possible.